மார்கழி மந்த் செகண்ட் டே. திருப்பாவை பாசுரம் 2. வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நாமும் நம் பாவைக்கு செய்யும் கிரிசைகள் கேளீரோ பார்க்கடலுள் பையத் துயின்ற பரமனடி பாடி நெய்யுண்ணோம் பாலுண்ணோம் நாட்காலே நீராடி மையிற்றெழுதோம் மலரிட்டு நாம் முடியோம் செய்யாதனச் செய்யோம் தீக்குறளைச் சென்றோதோம் ஐயமும் பிச்சையும் ஆந்தனையும் கை காட்டி உய்யுமாறு எண்ணி உகந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this pasuram, Sri Andal enumerates do's and don'ts for the month-long nonbu. She invites everyone to join this nonbu. She wants all of us to sing in praise of Lord who is sleeping on the serpent in the middle of wild ocean. She says not to have ghee, not to have milk, get up early, take bath, sing songs in praise of Lord Vishnu, not to have kajal for eyes, and not to keep flowers. The flowers are meant only for Lord Vishnu in this month. And not to speak harsh words, and not to have any negative words, not to do negative actions, help needy, and have noble thoughts. So this is what the second pasuram says. So by saying good words, by helping people, by thinking God, our Atma becomes pure. The temple for today is Tirukachinambi Kovil or Varadaraja temple, which is located at Poonamalli. This place in Tamil is pronounced as Pundamalli. This place is 25 km away from Chennai. This temple was built during 10th century. So it is almost 1100 years old. Built by Parantaka Chola king. And this place is the birthplace of Tirukachinambi. Tirukachinambi was a great bhakta of Varadaraja Perumal. He used to collect flowers and make garland and walk all the way from Pundamalli to Kanchipuram to offer it to God. And he did Alavattam Kaingaryam, that means fanning the God. And he was very fortunate to converse with Perumal. Lord Varadaraja used to talk to Tirukachinambi. And Tirukachinambi played very important role in Ramanuja's life. He was a friend, philosopher, guide of his father as well as Ramanujar. And Ramanujar many times discussed his personal and the spiritual matters with Tirukachinambi and get guidance from him. And once Sri Ramanujar asked Tirukachinambi to get answer for his questions from Varadaraja Perumal. And Tirukachinambi spoke to Varadaraja about it, and Perumal answered. He gave 6 words, that is 6 orders. Agam evam param tattvam. It goes on like that. And the last one is, he asked Sri Ramanuja to have Sri Periyanambi as his guru. So there are 6 words, 6 வார்த்தைகள் in Tamil. Very important in Sri Vaishnavism. In this temple we can find Lord Varadaraja, Lord Ranganatha, Lord Srinivasa, Sri Krishna, Sri Andal, and the Murti of Sri Tirukachinambi and Tayar. Once Tirukachinambi fell sick, so he could not go to Kanchipuram. He could not offer flowers to Varadaraja Perumal. He could not do that Alavattam Kainkaryam, that is fanning. So he was feeling miserable about it and he was praying to God. Lord Varadaraja appeared here. He gave darshan to Tirukachinambi at Pundamalli, at his own place. And here he appeared in the morning. So you can find the deity with the sun at the back. So that is a special feature of this temple. So you can you can see the Varadar with sun's rays. And here you can find Lord Ranganatha and Lord Srinivasa too, because both of them gave darshan to him when he was not able to visit them. So you have Varadaraja Sannadhi and Lord Ranganatha Sannadhi and Lord Srinivasa Sannadhi here. So it is like visiting Kanchipuram, Srirangam and Tirupati if you visit this place, this temple. And we have the Sannadhi of Tirukachinambigal and Lord Krishna, then Sri Andal and Tayar, Pooviranda Tayar. So this place is named after this Tayar, Poovirandavalli, Pundamalli. Now it is called Pundamalli. So these are the special features of this temple. It is a very serene area where you feel the vibration. And Tirukachinambi moved around this place. He was a great bhakta. And he too sang many songs in praise of the God. And he did puja here. So naturally this place vibrates with bhakti. And you can sit calmly, and if you meditate, you can feel the vibration in this temple. Though the temple is in the mid of city, but you can find the divinity inside the temple. This temple is at Pundamalli.